Hi everyone! Today, I am going to show you the two basic grips of badminton. The two basic grips are the forehand grip and the backhand grip. The forehand grip is used for forehand shots. It is the most common grip used when striking the ball with their dominant hand. How to do a forehand grip properly. Think of it as if you are shaking hands with others. Hold the string and slide down to the handle of the racket. Close your three fingers. Make sure that your thumb touches your middle finger. The space between your thumb and index finger should form a V shape. Do not hold too tight. It will only consume your power. It should be relaxed. How to do a forehand grip? When do we use the forehand grip? To hit the shuttle with a clear shot, a drop shot, a smash shot, a drive shot, a lift shot, a net shot, a forehand low serve, and a forehand high serve. When can you apply the forehand grip? You can apply the forehand grip by thinking of the clock method. You can use the forehand grip when hitting the 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and 6 o'clock. When can you apply the forehand grip? You can apply the forehand grip by thinking of the clock method. The backhand grip. The backhand grip is used for backhand shots. It is the most common grip used when hitting at the backhand side. How to hold a backhand grip properly. First is rotate your racket in a flat face. Position your thumb on the wider part of the handle. And then, keep the index finger and the thumb on the same level. Take note that do not hold it too tight as it may consume your power. The grip should be relaxed. You can use a backhand grip when you're doing a backhand flick serve, a backhand defense, a backhand drive, a backhand lift, a backhand clear, a backhand deep shot, and a backhand net drop. You can apply the backhand grip by thinking of the clock method. You can use the backhand grip when hitting the 12 o'clock, the 11 o'clock, the 10 o'clock, the 9 o'clock, the 8 o'clock, 7 o'clock, and the 6 o'clock. You can apply the backhand grip by thinking of the clock method. You can